Welcome to today's episode. Today we're diving into a topic that everyone talks about but few truly understand: leadership. We hear the word all the time, but what does it really mean to be a leader? Is it about having power? Is it about making the right decisions? Or is there something deeper? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you will have a crystal clear understanding of what real leadership looks like and why it's a game changer. Think about a time when someone truly inspired you. Was it the way they spoke, the way they acted, or maybe the way they made you feel? That's what we're unpacking today, because leadership isn't just about giving orders. It's about inspiring action, building trust, and creating an environment where people can thrive. And trust me, it's not what you think. G'day, I'm Tech O, management consultant, business coach, workshop facilitator, and keynote speaker. First up, let's talk about influence. True leadership isn't about the title that you hold or the power that you wield. It's about influence. The greatest leaders aren't necessarily the ones with the highest rank. The greatest leaders are the ones who can influence others to act, to think, and to grow. This influence comes from trust, respect, and above all, consistency. Next, let's talk about vision. A true leader isn't just focused on the here and now. They have a clear vision of the future, and they communicate that vision so powerfully that others see it too and desire it. Whether it's leading a company to new heights, guiding a team through a tough project, or even helping a friend see their own potential, a leader sees the destination, the end result, long before others do. But here's the catch: a vision is only as powerful as the leader who acts on it. A true leader embodies the vision and takes consistent steps toward making it a reality, inspiring others to do the same. Before I go on, if you like what you hear, do me a favor and click on the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to get more of these tips and insights into leadership and business growth. Now, let's get into something that's often overlooked but absolutely critical: empathy. Leadership isn't just about getting results, it's about understanding the people you're leading. Empathy is the ability to put yourself in someone else's shoes, to truly understand their needs, their fears, and their motivations. When you lead with empathy, you lead with sincerity, and that builds deeper connections, fosters loyalty, and creates an environment where people feel valued and understood. It's not just good for morale, it's good for business, for communities, and for personal growth. Finally, let's talk about courage. Leadership isn't always easy. It often means making tough decisions, standing up for what's right, and taking risks when others are afraid. But courage doesn't mean the absence of fear. It means acting in spite of it. True leaders are willing to take the hard path, not because it's easy, but because it's right. They act from the conviction in their vision, which is itself founded on their deeply held values. When you believe passionately in what you're trying to achieve, the leap into the unknown not only becomes a possibility, sometimes it is a necessity. They believe that to fail is not failure. It is in fact an opportunity to learn about what not to do. They fail quickly, put it behind them, learn their lessons, and take another leap to the goal. It's said that Thomas Edison tried 1,000 different ways of making a working light globe, and when he was asked what it was like to fail 1,000 times, he said, "I didn't fail 1,000 times. The light bulb was an invention with 1,000 steps." Post-it notes. You know those ubiquitous sticky notes? In the 1960s, the scientists at 3M were working on a super strong adhesive to use in aircraft construction. Costly mistake led them to discover a new polymer adhesive that had the characteristic of being a weak, pressure-sensitive adhesive instead. Failing quickly, they learned their lessons and discovered a multi-million-dollar use for that adhesive, putting it on the backs of paper so that the paper could be stuck on and removed without leaving any residue. So Post-it notes were born. True leaders inspire others to find their own courage and to stand firm in your convictions, even when the road ahead is uncertain. So, what's the takeaway? Leadership isn't about titles, authority, or power. It's about influence, vision, empathy, and courage. These are the qualities that define true leaders, and they're qualities that we can all cultivate. Build truthfulness in leadership, which creates trust in your leadership. Create your own vision for your business and for your life, one that inspires you and others to strive for its attainment. Ensure that you listen to and understand people, and have the courage to fail, as long as you learn from it quickly and then try something else. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. And if you want more content that dives deep into what it really takes to be a leader in today's world, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching, and remember, leadership isn't just about leading others, it's mostly about leading yourself. See you next week.